Hello everybody.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm just back from celebration. As you can see in the background, we have some Loth wolves, Crystal Fox, and they have joined our Loth cats. But excitingly today, as you can probably see from the corner, we have something that I have bought, and I wasn't going to open it, but Matt Booker and Sophie here, say hello Sophie.
Hiya.
My daughter have persuaded me to open it, and Sophie is going to construct it and build it. So it is this, the Tantive IV Lego Star Wars. And what makes this special, I hear you ask, and why was I reluctant to open it? It is signed here, point there, so there and there, by the two designers of it. And also what makes it special is, and now I have to turn it around this way, is this. Princess Leia has a skirt. In all other minifigures, Princess Leia has legs, but in this special edition, Princess Leia has a skirt. Therefore, it needs to be opened. You also get Captain Antilles, a Rebel Fleet Trooper, C-3PO, R2-D2, and Bail Organa. So, let's have a look at this bit. Here, you lift it up, Sophie. There, if you take a look, all the things that it does. Look, there's the pod that they landed on Tatooine with, and there is another little ship in there, and there's the cockpit. So it says, how long does it say, Sophie? It says, here we are, lift it up, 1,768 pieces, age 12 plus. Sophie, how old are you?
10.
10. So it'll be easy because I have no intention of doing it. I don't build Lego, but Sophie does. So let's get this party started. Okay, as you can see, Sophie has completed bag number, what was it?
3.
3. So here is my contribution to this Lego set. Watch very carefully, it's extremely difficult. Okay, you get the head and you put the hair piece in. You get the body and you put the body in. It's very hard, this.
So hard.
Yeah, look, there we go. Really hard. Oh, now I have a choice. I can choose the skirt, the whole reason why I bought this, or I could choose legs. Ta-da! I am going for the skirt option. And I'm going to put her blaster in. There you have it. My contribution to the Lego build. Thank you very much. Thank you and thank you. What's up with this?
You've put a skirt on the wrong way.
Oops. Our project is almost coming to an end. Show so far the progress. Lift it up. What cool features have we got? If I hold it, you can do the features, right? Go.
So here is R2D2 and C3POs at the bottom there. In the escape pod that they have, and I'll just put that there. And then in the other one, this is from a different Lego, but I have a little BB-8, and I'm just going to put him in there, safekeeping. And there's another escape pod. And then here we have this, which is where Princess Leia puts the chip into R2D2.
Corridor, see there?
And
Put that right.
then we have a gun.
Cannon sort of thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we've got 7 out of the 11 engines. Lots of moving bits. I'm too scared in case I break it. You've all seen my Lego prowess. So we are now on to the second but last stage.
So stage 5.
Well, so I'm going to watch while Sophie gets building. So we're on bags number 10 and 11 out of 13 bags. Here we go. we've put all the figures away, and let's see if we can find them. Where we're going to start off first?
The front of the ship.
The front of the ship? Okay, let's go.
Right, so in this, you can take these off. And here is Captain Antilles. Oops. And then they have a lot of features on them. So you can move these, which are like their controls. You can move them up and down. And then there's a rebel fleet trooper in the other one. Then here we have a gun, which will show you later what it does. And then in the middle here, this is like the main part of the ship. So you lift up and you have Princess Leia and Bail Organa on the inside. And then if you move along, you can take this off. And then underneath, here are some extra big guns for your bottom, for the bottom of the ship. And then in here, these are escape pods. This is one of the most famous part of it, where you have R2 and C3PO in it. There are 2 escape pods. So let's check out the inside of the other one when I can attach that one on. Perfect. Ooh. Ooh. And inside we have put a little BB-8.
Why'd you put a BB-8 in there?
Because he's my Star Wars character. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So you have a small gap, and then here there are 2 bits here that you attach them onto, and that sticks them on. These are probably the hardest things I had to build. The Lego is not supposed to be round. And then here, you wouldn't expect it, but you have your radar system that can come up and down. Now, I'm not sure how to lift that up and down without having to touch it, but I think that's quite cool. And then if I just, and then you can just attach these on, like so. Okay, and here is the top of the thing, and this has guns on the top as well that move.
And then do you want to flip it?
I'm going to take that off, that's not stable on it, and I'm going to push that down. Okay, Mum, bring it. Okay, hopefully nothing's going to fall off.
I've got it there, yeah, got it.
Okay, you got it?
Got a good shot.
Right, okay. Now on the bottom here, we have our speaker system here that moves around, rotates.
Oh, I see. Sophie, do the black.
Ah, that's it.
That's it.
That's how you move it up and down.
Very good.
Okay, and here we have another gun. But then here we have an actual gun where you push these in. I'm not going to do it now. And there's 2 bullets
Lasers,
there.
yeah.
And they come out, and we'll show you that a bit later. And I think but that might be the only things on the bottom of the ship.
Brilliant. Right, flip it over.
Oh, here comes the hard part.
Don't break it.
Please don't break.
Gentle, gentle.
It's very, very, it's very hard to get it to stand up when you're making it. For on the bottom, you only have a few supports which are there, and I think somewhere there. And those are the only things that are holding it up.
So, are you pleased that I decided to buy a Lego set simply because of the Princess Leia with the dress?
I was a bit annoyed when I found out that you did it, only for the Princess Leia in the dress, but I like the ship. It's quite fun.
And fun to build?
Very fun.
So shall we do some more Lego building for Fantha Tracks maybe in the future?
Yeah.
So here we are, the Tantive IV finished product.
Salutations. Hello chaps. Great that you watched the video. Really pleased that you took the time to watch it. Now if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and tell all your friends. Subscribing is good because we have new videos every Wednesday, every Saturday, so don't miss out.